How to delete screen time data in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and navigate to screen time and tap on it. Now, go ahead and further scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for turn off app and website activity. So simply tap on the turn off app and website activity option you see there, and with this, in the confirmation that appears, tap on turn off app and website activity option again, and as of now, screen time will no longer be reported and all limits and downtime settings will be turned off. Now, just in case if you have enabled lock screen password for screen time, then you might be required to enter the screen time passcode in order to confirm your action. So once you enter the passcode, screen time will be disabled. So this was about how you can delete screen time data in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.